Getting ready for graduation? Here's what you'll need in your Get Ready kit: your gown, your hood, and safety pins, at least 3 to secure it. We've provided each piece in your graduation pack. Now, let's get ready. Step 1. Gowns. Each gown is different. For undergraduates, it's pretty straightforward. Zip down and unhook the zipper and put on as you would a shirt. Then rehook the zipper and zip up. Settle on shoulders and adjust as needed. For postgraduates, the instructions are similar, but please be mindful that the differentiation in the gowns are the sleeves. For masters and doctoral graduates, the sleeves are longer and have eyelets from where your hand should protrude. Once on, rehook the zipper and zip up. Settle on shoulders and adjust as needed. Reminder: your gown is to be worn as provided with no alterations like hemming, darting, or any other adjustments. Step 2. Time to put on your hood. They're color-coded. The burgundies are for undergraduates, while the goldens are for postgraduates. To start, put on your hood overhead with the center string facing down, aligned with the center of the gown. Fasten the hood to the gown with the safety pin over the zip without penetrating the suede on the outer side of the hood. Tuck away the string under the hood. The hood should also be fastened to each shoulder, forming a V-like shape once completed. Ensure that none of the pins used to secure the hood to the gown show. And now you're all set! Caps will be issued on graduation day at Hyatt upon arrival, and assistants will be on hand to help you perfect your graduation look. Congratulations once again, and see you on November 2nd at SBCS's Graduation Ceremony 2019.